Now in today's video, we are going to make a wallet. This is our layouts, but there's gonna be a little twist. Now for me, this is entirely way too much leather to be trying to cut around. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a little trim. This is the inside pocket part in which these pockets are going to attach to, or these card holders are going to attach to. So now I'm going to mark where everything's at so I can get a good placement on this next pocket. I need to dye these edges. See how well this will do. Got the backside ready to be glued to this, which is going to be the inside lining. It'll make more sense when you see it. It's going to be awesome. Again, we are making an IU wallet, so the lining looks like this. So I start by putting a bunch of glue all over this and spreading it all out. And it works really well. Now we've got this glued. I need to let it get a little more tacky before I place it on this fabric. I'm curious, does this stuff catch on fire like the leather cement? Nope, it doesn't. This leather cement is boring. Let's leave that for a few to dry and then we'll cut it. Get this thing pieced together. Now let's trim off this excess here. So this is roughly how it's gonna look. Be able to see this, and then there are inside little money pockets. You'll be able to have your IU going on. And we're gonna clean up these edges on top of this pocket, get it nice and smooth. let that sit for a little bit while we finish this other part. Too much glue on that one. I think it'll be perfect. It just needs some dry time. I've got all my components ready to be attached together, so let's do that now. Go ahead and get this placed on here. Now this fabric tape is not a hold it and leave it permanent forever kind of thing. It's more for me just like a temporary solution to keep something in place. Now I need to burnish these edges since I'm getting ready to attach this whole thing. But I'm only going to burnish this one edge that's going to be on that inside pocket, so it's not a terrible time trying to do it while it's attached and all that. I'd rather just do it right here while it's out in the open. Makes things a lot easier. We've got these nice and smooth. We are ready to get this attached to the other piece. All that. That's the front piece. Looks pretty good to me. Let's get this thing stitched together. We will be on the home front. I guess it's the home stretch. Now the stitching's all done all around the sides. Now I'm just going to lock them in by giving them a little tap all the way around the edges. That just kind of sets the knot. Now I'm going to very carefully put this die on the edges, kind of carefully. Well, I finished burnishing the edges, and then I realized I never hit record on the camera. So, yeah, this is how they look. I mean, they're black, they're nice. And here's a finished product. And then if you want, you can slide some stuff on back in there and slide some stuff back on in there. And there we have it. An Indiana University themed wallet. And this thing, I like it. It's probably gonna have to go in my pocket.